You've always wanted to start a business. You're tired of working for someone else, and you'd love the flexibility and responsibility of running your own company. The trouble is, you don't have a whole lot of starting capital or any, for that matter. Which probably means you're out of luck, right? Wrong? Here are businesses that you can start virtually free, and those that aren't completely free are quite low cost. They don't require expensive training or degrees, fancy equipment, or lots of materials, space, or product. 1. Blogging. While not a new concept, monetized blogging is always a popular option for an essentially no-cost business. There are tons of options when it comes to making money from your blog, such as affiliate partnerships, producing ebooks, offering online courses, and webinars. Some of these work better than others, as in certain blog niches will be more popular and easy to monetize than others. For instance, beauty, food, and parenting blogs are some of the most popular niches, and will, therefore, be easier to monetize, though you also face stiffer competition. It's worth mentioning, however, that monetizing your blog will work best when you choose a subject that you are actually passionate about and personally invested in to blog about. 2. In-home child care. If you love children and have a good setup for it, turning your home into an in-home child care facility might be a great option for you. There will be associated fees and licensing requirements, which vary state by state, but these aside, the costs associated with starting a child care business are minimal to none. 3. In-home dog care. In a similar vein, if you love caring for animals, consider setting up a doggy daycare business. You can operate during business hours, for folks who need someone to watch their dog while at work, or you can look after dogs for people while they are out of town. In addition to being low to no cost, the skill set you need is pretty self-explanatory. Experience with caring for dogs, and ability to patiently and carefully look after them. If you'd love to start a dog care business but haven't spent a ton of time around dogs, consider volunteering at an animal shelter first. 4. Freelance writing. Are you a strong writer? This one is a no-brainer. If you have solid writing skills, consider starting a business as a freelance writer. 5. Freelance editing. Similarly, if you have a great eye for necessary structural changes and enjoy editing for grammar and punctuation, you may want to consider starting a freelance editing business. As long as there is written content, there will be a need for editors. This blogger discusses an instance in which her roommate and fellow editor took on an entire thesis over the weekend, so if you have writing experience and a good eye, freelance editing may be a business idea to consider. 6. Logo and image design. If you're artistic and good with Photoshop, consider starting a logo or graphic design business. You can list your services on sites like Upwork, 99 Designs, or any of the number of other freelance sites available to help build a portfolio and a client base to start. 7. Consulting. Starting a consulting business is always a popular free business to start. The type of consulting you choose to offer will depend on your skill set. Do you have a social media marketing background, or maybe you've got legal experience? Look at your skills and your previous job experience and see what you could bring to the table that others might not have your expertise in. 8. Building websites. If you know how to set up a killer website, you're in luck. Most people don't, and the demand for high-quality business websites is only continuing to grow. 9. Programming. While it is possible to teach yourself programming and build your own app, programming services will always be in high demand. If you are a skilled programmer, you can start a business with no money offering your programming skills. 10. Driving for Uber. Do you have a car, more specifically, a 4-door sedan, year 2001 or newer? That's about all it takes to become an Uber driver, along with at least 3 years of driving experience and a clean record. 11. Music lessons or tutoring. If you are great at a specific school subject or play a musical instrument, consider starting a tutoring business. The possibilities are nearly endless, enabling you to specialize in your niche skill set or interest, though you may have more luck as a general English tutor and not, say, as a specialist in 19th century Gothic literature. 12. Home organization. Do you love to keep a clean, tidy home? Does the idea of visiting the Container Store fill you with excitement? Don't worry, you're not alone. If so, you may want to consider offering home organization services. 13. Gardening and landscaping. If you have a green thumb, you might want to consider starting a gardening or landscaping business. If you have basic mowing, pruning, and lawn maintenance skills, you'll likely find that the bar to entry for starting a landscaping business is fairly low. 14 House or office cleaning businesses are incredibly appealing due to their low cost of entry. It essentially comes down to the cost of cleaning materials alone. Not only that, but you can guarantee that cleaning services will always be in demand. 15 Event planning. An event planning business can be a great free, or at the very least inexpensive, business to start. You primarily need a computer and capital to create a website and any branding materials. In addition to the links included above, the Event Manager blog has plenty of great resources, such as this article on how to start an event planning business. Are you ready to start your business? If you've found the perfect business idea, great, it's time to get started. When you're ready to start planning your new business, check out our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.